You might have seen many YouTube videos, but in this video, I'll just quickly show you how to get your Calendly account linked up with N8N. I didn't find any specific YouTube videos specifically for Calendly. Like there are people who are using Calendly just because N8N doesn't allow simple integration with Calendly. It's hard. So I was wondering so this is how I set up a Calendly account. So for example, if you have a Calendly account, first step is to get the API key. In order to get the API key, first go to calendly.com, click on integration and apps, then click on manage, and then click on APIs. So once you click on API and webhooks, click on settings. Once click generate a new token. Let's say I want to call it as N8N calendar for this particular video. So if I create token, the verification is completed. I copy the token, I go back to Postman. So if anyone who has never seen a Postman, if you are working with N8N, I think Postman will be your best friend when understanding the HTTP request and anything that goes into API calling. Because if you understand Postman, you will be able to understand everything that goes into the N8N. So now the first thing, I'll link all the URLs which I will be mentioning in this video down in the description, so you can try it yourself. So Postman is a web application which allows you to do API calls. Since we have already copied API key from the Calendly, now what we will do is we will assign that authorization over here, and then we have to pass on your credentials. And then what we have to do is make sure it's bearer space and the API token that you just created, right? What this step does is it's finding out the account URI, because I was trying myself and I was unable to do it, and I thought, let me just put on my Postman, it will help me find it. In simple layman terms, what this authorization is like a key to your account. So if you provide this key to Postman, it will find out the account anywhere on calendly.com, because we are providing, and we are saying that api.calendly.com/user/me, and this is the key, find me. So this will go in. If I click on send, I have set it to get. If I click on send, get me my account URI, which is this one specifically. Once I get this one, I'll go to the second HTTP request. And in this one, I'm saying now the accounts has been fetched. Now get me all the information that you have about this account. So this is the URI. I will always post all these URIs in the comment section down in the description. Okay, so in this one, I'm saying that this is the key. This is my account URI. You have to copy the whole thing. So in step 2, once you have provided all this information, once you click on send, it will find out all the time slots that you have for your specific calendar. One is 15 minutes, the other one is 30 minutes over here, and the other one is 60 right here. So once you find out all the accounts, now the main and the first thing that you have to now do is, let's say I want to try the 30-minute time slot, and I want to get all the time slots which are 30 minutes but available in my calendar. I don't need 15 minutes or I don't need 60 minutes. So I'll copy this URI again, the whole thing. I'll go to my third step. I'll say this is the URI, and I'm converting it to PST. If this is to convert everything that you are fetching right now into PST time zone. So this is the URI, start time. Over here you see this is the PST time zone. And if you don't know how to get it for your own location, just type out HTTP request for time slot in, let's say, Texas. Okay. So if you see over here, since we Googled it and we said, give me the HTTP request for the time slot in Texas. So it will give you a specific time slot. So it says T14Z and T15Z. So all you have to now copy this and put it on the Postman. That is over right here. This is 8Z and end time is also 7:59:59. So that's 8Z. So once I get that, it will always give me it's 14. So let's say I want to find something which is in 15, and I also want to find out something in between this 2 time slots. So okay, so once you have, so since T8 is PST, so for this specific purpose I'm using PST time zone. Now I specify, okay, this is the time zone I want to get the A request. So 15:15. So today is 14th of October. I will be fetching all the information between 15th of October and 17th of October between these time slots. So if I click on send, oh, there is an error. Oh, wait, I understood why. So there's one more 7. So if I remove it, so this is how you get all the time slots that you have. Now all you have to do is copy this specific API. You can also do one thing. So if you click on code button and if you click on call, then copy, and then if you click on your HTTP request, so you are now happy that all the information that has been shown on the Postman is very good. Now let's transfer this information to in the HTTP request. So import curl command V import. So if you see, if you click on this, you're getting all the time slots. Oh, the reason it's 15 minutes because instead of 30 we selected 15th. So if you go back to your Postman, it says 15-minute meeting and we selected this specific URI. That's why. Hope you got a good amount of value from this video. Please comment down what you want to see next. Please do like, comment and subscribe so that I can put out more videos like this.